The Apex Optics Summit Pro 2. Why do I feel that this is probably one of the most valuable pieces of kit you can have with you on match day to help you get more impacts? Now, Apex Optics, not new to the precision and long range sport, not new to hunting. They've got binoculars, they've got red dots, they've got scopes, they've got a bunch of products, and they are a brand that are dedicated to offering and delivering high quality products, high quality service to the end user. Now, I'm not going to go into the full detail of this binocular. You can head on over to Apex Optics website, read more about the Summit Pro 2. If you are in South Africa, you can visit our website, www.vanaticsgear.net. Read more about it. Go and check out all the other products that Apex Optics have on offer. And if you are considering purchasing something, please support us, as we do really value all your support. All the videos that we do it for you guys. We try and build a community. We really do try and get the best possible information about every single product that we can over to you. Now, I've used this specific binocular for close to a year now. I always try and use a product to the best of my ability in different scenarios, different applications, to make sure when we do make a video, I can give you guys the best possible information. Now, Apex Optics, they were probably the first company to come to the market with a binocular that was the first Summit Pro that has got quality glass and an etched mil reticle. Since then, there's been quite a few other companies to bring similar products to the market, but I feel that Apex Optics have stayed at the forefront of this. When they listened to the shooters, the users, the consumers, they took in all the feedback and they actually launched a new model, the Summit Pro 2. It's big, it's bulky, it is heavy, but it is a purpose-built binocular for the precision game. It's got a magnesium alloy constructed body. It's a 15 by 56 magnification, so it really brings you in up close to your target, and that is really what helps a lot. Combined with the quality glass you get in this, and I can tell you guys, I've tested the Summit Pro up against probably the best glass in the industry, and it held its own, and I've actually come to the conclusion that it beats most other binoculars on the market currently, some of them 3 times the price of the Summit Pro 2. And then the reticle, the TR2 mil reticle from Apex Optics. I've tested a few other binoculars with mil reticles in them, and I feel that by a landslide, this is for me probably the most usable and user-friendly reticle you will find in a binocular. It's got a 15 by 15 mil L-shaped reticle in the bottom third of the glass, so it doesn't really interfere with your field of view, and while you are spotting, you are actually able to rotate the reticle. You can change your focus to bring the reticle more to the forefront or to basically hide it away a little bit. So it's really, they thought about everything when they built this binocular, and where this has really helped me, and I feel will definitely be of massive value to any other really serious precision and long range competitor, is the fact that you've got a higher magnification, you've got quality glass, and you've got a reticle that combines to really give you the best possible view. Now, when used in a PRS style match, I'm standing behind a competitor. I know plus minus what type of wind call they are going into for a specific target. I'm actually able to use the reticle to measure the target, know exactly how wide that target is, and use that in conjunction with my wind call and try and get a more accurate and user-friendly wind call for me going into a stage. I'm actually able to see exactly where another competitor is impacting on a plate. Yes, any other binocular will allow you to spot impacts and spot misses, but not as clearly as this thing does. You can actually see exactly on the plate the competitor is shooting. You can see better detail when they start missing on a plate next to it, the vegetation and all of that. When it comes to long range, I've been using a dedicated long range scope for our matches out to plus minus 1,600 meters. I took this binocular, I lined it up next to a dedicated spotting scope for probably 3 consecutive matches to test it and really see what the glass can do out to that distance. After those 3 matches, I actually sold my dedicated spotting scope, and this is now my main spotting binocular for long range, as I was able to actually spot impacts, literally see exactly where the round hits on the plate at 1,600 meters. Yes, conditions do contribute to that. If you've got a lot of mirage, if you've got smoke or mist in the air, that will be way more difficult. The day that happened, it was actually quite clear, sunny. There was not a lot of mirage, but again, it was up against a dedicated spotting scope with quality glass, massive zoom, and I was able to spot better with this binocular than I was able to do with that spotting scope. That again is more expensive. Now, like I said, I've tested it, I've put it through its paces, I've done everything I can, and I really do feel that this adds massive value to you as a serious competitor. Now, I have received a lot of questions from fellow competitors and other users. Why did Apex Optics not put a rangefinder in a binocular like this? Now, I unfortunately cannot answer for Apex Optics, but if I had to answer that, I would say that they wanted to bring a binocular to the market that is unmatched, that gives you the best quality glass in conjunction with a reticle. As soon as you put rangefinder or electronics in an optic, and you basically need to see what the rangefinder tells you, you need to see the HUD, all the LED and everything that's going on in that optic, a little bit of a tint is needed, and I feel it always demotes or degrades the quality of glass that you actually have. I recently tested, and again, I tested it extensively. The only range-finding binocular I know on the market currently that's got a usable reticle is the Vector X. They've got super quality glass, but again, it doesn't come close to this. And again, I feel it's due to the fact that you've got electronics built into the optic system. Hopefully Apex Optics can maybe answer that in a better manner, but that is what conclusion I came to, the fact that they did not put a rangefinder in this, and obviously it would have made it more expensive. They are not cheap in South Africa. They retail for just over 30,000 Rand, but there are a bunch of competitors out there that does not have nearly as good glass quality, not nearly as good a reticle as this, and they are more expensive. All Apex Optics products are backed by the Apex Oath lifetime warranty. Again, like I said, the guys over at Apex Optics are awesome people to work with. They really do back their products. They really do back the consumers, and they always try and push the limits when it comes to products and be the first in the market to bring something to our precision sport market. If you guys have any questions regarding the Apex Summit Pro 2, please drop it down in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible to every single one of you. I would really like to thank each and all of you for your support, not only for our store, but for the channel. This channel is for you guys. We try and not really do reviews, but give information over to you guys about products you will not find in most of the franchise or chain stores in South Africa. So it's difficult for you guys to get hands on, to take a look at it. And we are doing and will keep on doing our best to get information regarding products like this to you guys, and a bunch of other stuff that is on the way. So if you do like content like this, please consider subscribing, liking this video, sharing it with your friends out there. And we really do value all your support. If you are looking for any precision equipment, products, scopes, binoculars, tripods, anything, please visit our website, www.venatixgear.net. Please support our store, as that helps us to make videos like this. It helps us to, well, basically stay afloat. And again, we do appreciate all your support, and we will see you in the next video.